Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make oatmeal apple cinnamon. First, let's gather our ingredients. You'll need 1/2 cup of rolled oats, 1 small apple, and 1/4 teaspoon of ground cinnamon. Also, have 1 cup of water or milk ready, plus a touch of maple syrup or honey for sweetness. This simple recipe is perfect for a cozy breakfast. Next, let's get those apples ready. Start by washing and peeling your apple completely. Then, carefully core it to remove all seeds and the stem. Finally, dice the apple into small, uniform pieces. This ensures they cook down nicely and blend perfectly with your oats, adding a burst of fresh flavor to every bite.
Hey everyone, quick recommendation. If you're finding this video helpful, please hit that subscribe button and give us a like. And on another note, life's too short for a stinky car, right? Grab a Little Tree's Black Ice air freshener to keep your ride smelling fresh. It's a small thing that makes a big difference. Check the description for the link and other great deals. Now, let's get back to the video.
Now it's time to cook the oatmeal. In a small pot, combine your 1/2 cup of rolled oats, 1 cup of water or milk, and the diced apples. Bring this mixture to a gentle boil, then reduce the heat to low. Simmer for about 5 to 7 minutes, stirring occasionally until the oats are creamy and the apples are tender. Once your oatmeal is cooked, it's time to add the finishing touches. Stir in 1/4 teaspoon of ground cinnamon and your preferred sweetener, like maple syrup or honey. Taste and adjust the sweetness to your liking. Serve your warm, comforting oatmeal apple cinnamon in a bowl, perhaps with a sprinkle of chopped nuts or a few extra apple slices.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.